For this video, we're going to create our chat list, or rather, just to make the video fast, I've already designed the chat list component for you guys, so we can just go ahead and download for this video, so we can move straight to the backend. Right. So for this, you can have, you can download this from the resources I'll add it for this video. But before we actually use this, let's go back to our terminal. In here, let's create a new component, and we can call this one PHP artisan make livewire chat with a hyphen. All right, click enter. This will create two files, the chatlist component and chatlist.blade file. All right, you can close that. Let's close all of these. And now with this, we can go to our chat. We can go to our index actually in here. Here in the chat list, we can import this new Livewire component. So we can say Livewire chat.chatlist. All right. Now this will be imported in our chat index. And just to check out how it's looking like, in here you can go to our chat list. Let's just add something to show for it. Now, if we go ahead and refresh our page, you see we now have this something called list here, which means it's been imported successfully. Now, since we have downloaded this file, we can simply just open it, click or open it, and then in here we can simply select all this, copy it, go back to our file in our project, select all, paste it, and now if we go, you see that we have something looking good like that, which is here showing the name of the user who's currently logged in, the chat symbol, and here it's showing some dummy data and some pictures. So now this is just template to get you guys started. Otherwise, we can design this manually, but to take time, just to move faster on this part, we can just download this and use it. And then I'm gonna make it dynamic later. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.